And OSU, Beatmap script defines every beat, slider, and spinner in a rhythm game level. The precise timing data that turns music into interactive gameplay. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, edit, or troubleshoot these Beatmap files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective OS file solution for the tough cases near the end. OS files are Beatmap script files for OSU, a free rhythm game. They contain hit object definitions, timing points, difficulty settings, and metadata that define gameplay patterns, synchronized to music tracks for the various OSU game modes, including standard, taiko, catch, and mania. OSU. Beatmap files use a plaintext INI-like format, with sections including general metadata difficulty events, timing points, and hit objects. Each hit object specifies position timing type and optional curve data for sliders. Timing points define BPM and meter changes. The OS data container is optimally managed by OSU, developed by PPI. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows cannot decode engine-level structures, so examining game files requires specialized tools. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your OS file and select Open With. If OSU is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. If your OS file still refuses to open, stay calm. This OS format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, opening in OSU. Install OSU. From osu.babayesh and place the OS Beatmap file in the songs directory within your OSU. Installation folder. The file should be inside a folder containing the associated audio file and background image. Restart OSU to detect and load the new Beatmap. Next, editing Beatmaps. Open OSU and navigate to the Beatmap in the song selection screen. Press F2 or select Edit to open the built-in Beatmap editor. Use the timeline to place modify and delete hit objects. Adjust timing points and difficulty settings through the editor's setup panels. Finally, creating new Beatmaps. In OSU, select Edit, then choose an audio file to create a new Beatmap. Set the timing by tapping along with the music to establish BPM. Place hit objects, circles, sliders, and spinners on the playfield synchronized to the rhythm. Test play frequently to verify timing and flow. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.